Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your username on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. First click on this three lines here and now click this settings icon. Here you will find username, click on it, and now you will find here edit username, click on it like this. And now as you see, you can change your username and click save, and that's it. It will be saved, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.